Chrysanthemums are sun-loving plants. Although they technically require only 6 hours of sunlight each day, the more light they receive, the better their growth, bloom, and hardiness. Slight shade in hot summer afternoons is appropriate in warmer gardening zones to prevent scorching. Mums thrive in full sun conditions as long as you give them enough water. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sun a day. Plants that don't get enough sunlight will be tall and leggy and produce fewer, smaller flowers. Mums thrive in well-drained soil. The chrysanthemum is the main character for the fall garden. The blooms last for weeks. I am in love with this fall garden favorite because of its bright color and countless flowers it displays year after year.